Remy. But he's keep looking at the coats and the door. And now he just looks at the coats again. Remy! I keep hearing weird noises. The only one who's here is me, Remy, and Dad, which Dad is asleep. See? What the fuck was that? No one's up there. But Remy thinks otherwise.